And I'm May.
And this is
Johnny!
Yay! We got a special guest here today on YouTube, don't we?
Yes.
What's their names? Johnny!
And Patricia!
Patricia and Johnny! Patricia and Johnny! Let's get straight on to this video. Oh wait! I forgot to tell you! We're gonna make slime! Slime! Let's get right into this video! Whoosh! Okay, so we're both gonna make our own slime and it's gonna be a slime competition! I'm gonna win!
Okay.
So let's get started!
This is the ball.
This is another bowl!
And this is the glue. I don't have our Botox.
What?
Our Botox.
Where's our Botox?
Right there.
Oh, borax, silly! Okay, so let's get started.
Yes!
Okay, well, I'm going to be making pink sparkly slime. And what are you going to make?
The boogers.
Green sparkly slime.
Who you got there are markers.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is take our water. We're going to take precisely 1.5 cups each for each borax container. You want to get your small bowl out for this one.
Small bowl. It's stuck.
There we go.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Oh no, look at the bowl is in front of my face. Okay, so now we're going to get our what?
Botox.
Yeah, Botox. Go get it. Thank you. Now we're going to get our teaspoon. That's what it was. And then we're going to stick it in the borax container, get 1 teaspoon, and drop it into our water. You want to get a close-up of this? Get a close-up. Not of you.
We are now putting it into the bowl.
Ooh, it's a big chunk. This will be enough for me. I'm just gonna crush it up. Measure a teaspoon. It's about good. Oh, I'll do a little bit less. Now we're gonna put the pink sparkly glue into a different clean bowl. It's red. Ready? My glue on my hands and in the bucket, I can add my borax. Just pretend like you're washing your hands if you got it on your hands, and it'll automatically turn into slime. So you just want to keep mixing it. You might not even have to add the whole water solution, borax solution, but you see, it turns into slime very instantly, and I'm just going to add a little bit more. Didn't add enough. So I got it on my hands, but it's coming off because it's now into slime. Well, soon into slime. And then I'm just going to pull more. Oh, well, it was a lot. Okay, mine's turning slowly but surely into a sgack, goo, slime, whatever you want to call it. And if you start kneading it and then it starts to get sticky, just keep kneading it. And then if you've kneaded it for like an hour or more, then put it back in your bucket and add more borax. But it's gonna be sticky at first. Okay, everybody, we're back. So we had some technical difficulties with and so it's just super jelly-y and slimy. You want to show them yours?
Yeah, I do.
That's hers. Yeah. Oh, yes. Don't splash the camera. Okay, guys. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. If you want to get this makeup look or the one May was wearing